Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I would be your examiner for this part of the test. This test would be recorded. May I know your full name please?
My full name is Jaspreet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You may address me by my first name Jaspreet.
May I see your identification please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you Jaspreet. Where do you come from Jaspreet?
I come from a small village named Talwari which is under the district of Fatehpur in the state of Haryana.
Okay. Are you working or studying?
I am a student. I have currently completed my senior secondary education from CBSE board.
Okay. Can you describe your hometown a little?
My hometown, it is a small village, but it is a very beautiful village with a small population, and it has all the basic facilities which are essential for people.
Okay. Few questions will be based on sports. Are you interested in sports, Jaspreet?
Yes, I am very fond of sports. I love playing sports as well as watching sports matches that telecast on television.
Okay. What sports do you like most?
Although I love various kinds of sports, but badminton is my most favorite game.
Why?
I love this game because I feel very energetic after playing it instead of feeling tired.
Do most people in your country like sports?
Yes, they do. Mostly in my country, people love to play cricket because cricket is celebrated in India as a festival.
What sports do people in your country like to play?
Although there are various kinds of sports like football, cricket and hockey, however the sport which is most widely played is cricket.
Okay. What benefits do you think sports can bring us?
Sports can bring us enormous benefits. Apart from getting energy, we also learn various moral values like teamwork and cooperation.
Few questions will be based on celebrities. Who is your favorite celebrity in India?
In India, my favorite celebrity is Shraddha Kapoor, who is one of the most famous actresses of the Bollywood industry.
Okay. Do you like any foreign celebrity?
Yes, I do. I like Justin Bieber, who is one of the famous Canadian singers.
Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
I would say no, because I think I am very much satisfied with my current stage of life.
How do celebrities influence their fans in your country?
In my country, celebrities influence their fans by their achievements and the struggles they have faced before becoming a celebrity.
Few questions will be based on dancing. Do you like to dance, Jaspreet?
Yes, definitely. I love dancing on various occasions like family functions and competitions which are widely organized in schools.
When did you dance last time?
Last time when I was in 11th standard, there was a inter-school competition in my school, and it was the last time I danced in front of my school.
What is the popular form of dance in your region?
In my region, I live in Haryana and Punjab. The most popular dancing form is Bhangra and Gidda.
Okay. This is end of the first part. Now it is time to ask a cue card. This is a cue card, Jaspreet, and you will be given 1 minute to prepare your answer. This is paper and pencil, and if you wish to make notes, you can. You will be given. Okay, Jaspreet, your time is over. You may start now. Thank you. You can keep. Okay.
Well, it is quite common these days for people to visit cafes to have a cup of tea or coffee. Here, I would like to talk about a cafe which I love to visit regularly with my friends. Actually, on Sundays, we mostly all friends are free and we love to sit at Cafe Coffee Day in the evenings. This cafe is located in a nearby town of my village. The name of the cafe is Sardarji, which is one of the most famous cafes of the town, known for its authentic taste and quality ambience. Um, the furniture at this cafe is very comfortable, so that we can sit for hours without getting tired. Uh, One can enjoy a wide range of snacks and beverages, but we mostly order cappuccino with sandwich. Um, the f- not only the taste of the food, but the way it is presented is even more amazing. The best part is that one can enjoy live music while sitting at the cafe, which makes the experience of visiting this cafe even more enjoyable. I must say that staff at this cafe is very cordial. They talk very politely and offer the best service experience. Apart from it, the cafe is very quiet place and we can enjoy our talks without getting bothered. Uh, oh, However, this cafe is little expensive, which is worth considering all the factors and features. Fortunately, this cafe offers few coupons and vouchers which help us to get an additional discount. Overall, it is a cafe which I love to visit with my friends.
Thank you, Jaspreet. This is end of the part 2. Now it is time to ask follow-up questions, which is known as part 3. What kind of people would like to go to cafe?
According to me, everybody likes to go to cafes, especially the younger generation who love to go to cafes and restaurants in order to hang out with their friends. Moreover, the working people who do not get enough time to cook something for themselves at their homes, they have to go to cafes for eating.
Okay. Why do young people like to studying in the cafe instead of at home?
Nowadays, a majority of the younger population prefer studying at cafes instead of studying at their homes. I think it is because cafes offer a very peaceful and calm atmosphere, which is not available in most of the homes due to the distractions, and they are often disturbed by their other family members whenever they are studying.
Okay, do you really think so that cafes are peaceful as compared to home atmosphere or libraries?
Yes, I think they are very peaceful, especially when we compare it to our homes. In homes in India, mostly there are joint families, and all the members often disturb the students who are studying. There is
And
a
if we
huge
compare
crowd.
it with the library?
I think libraries these days are also very crowded, and so cafes, according to me, are better for studying.
How?
Uh, in cafes, there is not there yet there is crowd in cafes, but not very much hustle and bustle. So it offers a very peaceful atmosphere.
Okay. Do all people like to drink coffee in your country?
In my country, India, I would say yes. Old people like to drink coffee, but they mostly prefer drinking tea because tea. They are in the habit of drinking tea since their childhood.
Okay. Do Indian people like to drink coffee?
Yes, they do. I think it depends from one reason to another. In the northern part of my country, mostly people like to drink tea. However, in the southern states, majority of the population likes to drink coffee because coffee is grown there.
Okay. Thank you, Jaspreet. This is end.